What tends to be living on some of our rocky reefs?
Plants or animals?
Well, all of it, right?
There's a lot of kelp forests, and there's sea urchins that feed on the kelp and stuff like that.
There are a bunch of fish.
There's all of these animals.
All these.
Okay, great. So it's not just one thing we're looking at. We're not looking at, say, just kelp or just leopard sharks or things like that. It's a lot of things kind of living and kind of working together in one ecosystem. Yeah. What we can try to do maybe is look at a couple different reefs that maybe have different amounts of humans on them to kind of see if there's a difference between them and see what's going on out there.
See which one's healthier, which one's not.
Okay. And an easy way to do that is to pick what we call indicator species. If we pick a few of those that kind of have a key part of this ecosystem, what we can do is count those numbers and compare them between two different sites. Meg and I are going to be looking at 8 indicator species. So each one was chosen for a special reason, either what it eats, or if it's commercially harvested, or if it just plays an important role in the ecosystem.
We are in the invertebrate lab. This is a sea cucumber, and it's kind of scared because I touched it, so it's swollen up. If you kiss a sea cucumber, you get 7 years of good luck.
All right, let's see it, ladies.
Okay.
Very nice, very nice.
An invertebrate is a sea animal that does not have any bones. So most important is it does not have a spine. I like invertebrates because they're fun.
Yo, feels
chill,
you.
Dude, chill.
It feels you.
Oh yeah, good one, good one. You got it.
Woo!
You got it.
Grab it.
Nice one.
So are there any animals here that are indicator species?
So one of them that I was thinking of was the sea urchin.
Whoa, spiky.
Now these guys have 5 kind of teeth on the underside of their body, and that's how they eat. If they're eating a lot of the seaweed, these might be good to know. Also, we've got our sea cucumber. I was thinking that might be a good thing for us to look at as well.
Because they're so popular, they're everywhere.
A couple of other animals over here. It's actually called a gorgonian. Now these guys, if you look really closely at what looks like a plant, do you see how there's like lots of little flower-looking things on these guys?
Yeah.
The gorgonian has lots of little things that are like anemones. They're called polyps. And so on one gorgonian, there could be thousands of polyps living together on this.
So many.
Looks like it's covered in snow.
Wow, sea urchins, cucumbers, indicator species. Got it.
I'm sure you know what this stuff is.
Seaweed.
Kelp.
What might this be important for?
Well,
Yeah, it's going to be a great food source. Shelter.
yeah, for like the kelp fish, it's like an easy way to hide from predators.
Exactly. Anything else?
Oxygen.
Oxygen, right? So it's really important for that as well. So those are kind of my 3 big reasons why I think kelp's so important out there in the ocean. It's also in a lot of products that we use that you guys probably are aware of.
Toothpaste.
And?
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Toothpaste and ice cream. Seriously?
I think we should have some way to record information underwater. So I have these data slates that we can use underwater, and there's one for each of you. We talked about 4 species of fish that we can use as indicator organisms. We talked about 3 species of inverts or invertebrates and 1 species of seaweed. So I kind of made up this little data sheet that we can use. And what'll happen is this has been printed on this really cool underwater paper. What you would do is then count how many of each of these organisms you see.
Okay.
So, you know, I saw 7 blacksmith, I saw 2 Garibaldi, whatever. And we want to make sure that we have some watches so we can record our starting and ending times.
The indicator species that we were looking for were the blacksmith, Garibaldi, kelp calico bass, sheephead, male and female, gorgonian, sea urchin, cucumber, and the giant kelp.